Cost accounting. My name is Nikita Nityananda, register number 72, class BCom 6M. My topic reconciliation. Introduction. Reconciliation. Some concerns maintain cost and financial accounts separate. In both types of accounts, the profit or losses ascertained must be equal, but in actual practice they are not equal. The profit or losses disclosed by these two sets are different. So these are to the equalized. For equalization of profit of both sets of accounts, we have to prepare a statement which is known as reconciliation statement. Reconciliation definition. Eric L. Kohler defines that the reconciliation is the determination of the items necessary to bring the balance of two or more related accounts or statement into agreement. Need for reconciliation. First one, to check the arithmetical accuracy of two sets of account. Second one, to find out the reasons for difference in profit or losses of two sets of account. Third one, reconciliation helps in formulation of various policy regarding overhead, depreciation and valuation of stock. Fourth one, the promotes coordination and cooperation between departments of cost account and financial account. Methods of reconciliation. The cost and final account are reconciled by preparing two methods. First one, reconciliation statement. Second one, memorandum reconciliation statement. First one, reconciliation statement means it is the statement explaining cases of disagreement and prepared to get confirmed about the equalization of profits of cost accounting and financial records. Second one, memorandum reconciliation statement means it is an alternative method to reconciliation statement. Under this method, an account is to be prepared for reconciling the profit or losses of both sets of accounts. Items reduced are taken to the debit side of reconciliation statement. Procedure for reconciliation. There are 4 steps involved in the procedure for reconciliation. First one, find out of profit as per financial account. Second one, find out of profit as per cost account. Third one, ascertain profit of difference in between cost account and financial account. Fourth one, reconciliation both profits. Problems. Problem 1, question. Prepare a reconciliation statement from the following. Profit as per cost account, rupees 34,600. Interest debited in financial account, rupees 1,600. Over absorption of overheads in cost account, rupees 17,600. Preliminary expenses written up, rupees 2,400. Undervaluation of opening stock in cost account, rupees 2,800. Overvaluation of closing stock in cost account, rupees 4,800. Solution. Reconciliation statement heading. Next, particular and amount column. 2 amount column. Particular, net profit as per cost account to 34,600. Add over absorption of overhead in cost account 17,600 into second column. Less overvaluation of closing stock in cost account in first column, rupees 4,800. Interest debited in financial account, rupees 1,600. Preliminary expenses, rupees 2,400. Undervaluation of opening stock in cost account, rupees 2,800. Less in second column 1,060. Profit as per financial account, total 40,600. Problem 2, question. Prepare a reconciliation statement from the following. Profit as per cost account, rupees 17,300. Interest debited in financial account rupees 800. Over absorption of overheads in cost account rupees 8800. Preliminary expenses written up rupees 1200. Undervaluation of opening stock in cost account rupees 1400. Overvaluation closing stock in cost account rupees 2400. Solution particular to amount column. Net profit as per cost account 17,300. Add over absorption of overhead in cost account rupees 8,800. Total 26,100. List interest debited in financial account 800. Preliminary expenses 1,200. Undervaluation of opening stock 1,400. Closing stock 2,400. Second column in total 5,800. Last profit as per financial account 20,300. Thank you.